Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we are diving into a fascinating new research paper titled GenShield, which focuses on the growing world of AI-generated images. As tools like Midjourney and DALL-E become more popular, it is getting harder to distinguish fake images from real photographs. However, these AI tools still make mistakes, leaving behind visible artifacts like distorted limbs or strange textures. The researchers point out that while we have gotten good at detecting fakes, we haven't quite figured out how to automatically fix them. GenShield is a new unified framework that handles both of these tasks at the same time. It establishes a connection between detection and correction, creating a loop where the two tasks actually help each other improve. The system works by using two specialized experts, one for detection and one for artifact correction. Instead of just giving a true or false answer, the detection expert provides detailed reasoning for why an image looks fake. This diagnostic information is then passed to the correction expert, which uses it as a guide to repair the specific problem areas. To train this model, the researchers created a high-quality dataset called GenShield Set. This dataset contains over 10,000 pairs of images showing before and after versions of artifact repairs. They used a strategy called visual chain of thought to help the AI learn how to fix images in a step-by-step manner. The correction process is quite clever, using a diagnose-then-repair paradigm. The AI first describes the remaining suspicious regions in an image and then performs a correction step based on that diagnosis. It repeats this process until it can no longer find any artifacts, eventually reaching an explicit stopping criterion. The results are quite impressive, with GenShield achieving state-of-the-art performance in detecting AI images across various models. In many tests, it reached over 99% accuracy, outperforming several other well-known detection methods. This shows that the model isn't just good at editing, but is also a top-tier forensic tool. When it comes to actually fixing images, the model also shines compared to standard image editors. Human evaluators found that GenShield did a better job of maintaining realistic physics and structures. It consistently scored higher in visual quality metrics, suggesting it understands the rules of the real world better than previous tools. Looking at these visual examples, you can see how the AI identifies issues like twisted hands or missing limbs. It doesn't just blur the mistakes, it actually reconstructs the parts to look more natural. This iterative process slowly clears up the image until the AI determines it finally looks real. Even complex cases, like abnormal eye structures or distorted reflections on glasses, were handled successfully. The system can take a very messy AI generation and turn it into something that looks like a clean photograph. This is a massive step forward for both content creators and digital investigators. To recap, GenShield is the first unified framework that can both explain why an image is fake and fix its flaws. By using a step-by-step curriculum, it learns to find and remove artifacts more effectively than ever before. In the future, this could lead to more trustworthy AI systems that can verify their own output for authenticity. It might also become a standard tool for cleaning up AI-generated art to make it look truly professional. Thank you for watching Summarize Science, and we'll see you in the next one.